Thanks for joining us here at Rockwell Automation. Today we'll see how simple it is to install a rotary operating mechanism for a door-mounted operator used with your Bulletin 140G molded case circuit breaker. For this demonstration, I'll be using the Bulletin 140G H-frame. However, the process is the same for a J-frame breaker. As always, safety is a priority. To prevent electrical shock, make sure to disconnect from any power source before installing or servicing the product. Note that the breaker should always be installed in a suitable enclosure and an environment free from contaminants. If the breaker isn't in the trip position, depress the trip button, and this will allow us to begin the process of installing the accessory. You'll notice that there's a plastic shroud on the faceplate of the breaker, indicating the trip position. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove it from its secured position and dispose of it. Now position the rotary operator so that the fastener holes line up with the holes on the breaker. Insert the fasteners and apply torque to the specification, 9.73 inch-pounds or 1.1 Newton-meters. Once the operating mechanism is secure, be sure to apply the labels provided and included with the accessory kit. Now you've successfully completed the addition of the door-mounted rotary operator. If you have any additional questions, please visit our website or contact your local distributor. Thanks again for joining me today at Rockwell Automation.